Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your JBL Pulse to your iPhone. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want the soundput of their iPhone to be their JBL Pulse. How do you actually connect both the devices together? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but what we're first going to do is that we're going to power on our JBL Pulse, and this practically works for any model of JBL Pulse. Next, you want to put this into pairing mode. So on your JBL Pulse, find the Bluetooth icon and click and hold on it until it enters pairing mode. So as you can see, now it's in pairing mode. Next, hop into your iPhone, and then from here you want to navigate to where it says settings, and then click on Bluetooth, and then you want to find your JBL Pulse underneath other devices. So here we have our JBL Pulse. We're just going to click on our JBL Pulse and wait until it connects. So you should hear a sound notification that it's been connected, and you'll also see it return to its normal lighting show. In addition, on your phone, you should see that JBL Pulse has now been connected. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your JBL Pulse to your iPhone. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.